Welcome to my Fabric Data Engineer training classes. 100% practical, step by step, and real time. In my Fabric training classes for data engineering, we'll start from the scratch, from the basics of data warehouse, ETL, and cloud database concepts. In my Fabric Data Engineering training classes, I will be teaching you the actual job roles with examples and scenarios. I'll be teaching you how to read data from websites, apps, social media, files, databases. I'll be teaching you how to handle the data in cloud environment, cloud ETL, cloud warehouse concepts with big data and cloud computing. The main job roles and responsibilities for Fabric Data Engineer include data ingestion from various sources, ETL and ELT development activities with nice user interface. We have data factory, drag and drop, and notebooks. We have data transformations using Spark and PySpark. We have Lakehouse and OneLake data management concepts, data warehouse design, data quality, data governance, performance optimization, and support for AI solutions and Power BI dashboards. I will be teaching you all these concepts with utmost care for your resume and on-job activities. My Fabric Data Engineering classes will be a full stack course for your real-time project exposure. I have good project work part of these training classes. I divided the entire course into three different plans to suit your learning needs. Plan A for the participants who are already aware of SQL, they can directly go for Fabric Data Engineering 6 weeks training classes. If someone is new to database, new to SQL, or someone wanted to upskill or revise Microsoft SQL query tuning and query writing concepts, especially query tuning, they can opt for Plan B, MS SQL plus Fabric. And for experience profiles, I have MS SQL plus Fabric plus Power BI. This is the duration you see on my screen for sequential learning. However, for parallel learning, you can take SQL videos and Fabric live classes or both videos as per your choice. I have live online training as well as self-paced videos for all these plans. You can choose as per your choice, and you can also shift between live online and self-paced videos for the remaining part or remaining modules of the course. For example, you take SQL Live and Fabric, you can shift to video or vice versa. Say SQL video training and Fabric Live, it's up to you. Same content, same curriculum. And here is a detailed curriculum. Either you go for live or self-paced videos with complete support for your doubts clarifications. We have the complete information from SQL basics to queries, query tuning, constraints, DBMS, as well as the query optimizations, subqueries, CTEs, cursors, merge concepts, window functions, procedures, functions, triggers, group by concepts, and fetch activities with upsets, case, and if and only if concepts. I have nice real-time case studies on these SQL activities. Coming to the Fabric, we have introduction, workspace activities, detailed architecture, warehouse concepts, data types, connections, as well as the concept of queries, query sets, Power Query concepts, model layouts, and we have the concepts pertaining to aggregated loads, ETL staging concepts, on-premises connections, Lakehouse, OneLake, file loads, aggregated loads, multi-table loads, tuning concepts, including visual queries as well as KQL, Kusto Query Language. I will be teaching you the concepts of data activator, mirror databases, practically step by step. I'll be teaching you Fabric notebooks, Spark SQL from scratch. I assume we are all very new to Python. I will be teaching you from scratch Python notebooks, Python concepts. We are not into Python programming, but we should know how to use Python for ETL. I will be teaching all these Python concepts and then take you to PySpark activities. From PySpark, we have the real-time projects with Power BI concepts. I have Power BI integrations, drill through buttons, big data access. I have concepts pertaining to Power Query activities, dashboards, operations, gateways, apps, paginated reports, report server, and DAX concept, data analysis expression language. I'll be teaching you DAX with Power BI, DAX with Fabric Warehouse, DAX with Fabric Lakehouse, Streamhouse, OneLake mirroring concepts. I'll be teaching you complete step-by-step practical approach throughout the course with real-time projects. There is one real-time project for plan A, plan B, whichever you choose, either plan A or plan B, one real-time project. For plan C, you have two real-time projects for experience profiles. Choice is yours, but my sessions are completely into your resume upskill, your practice items. Trust me, things are very simple and straight. I will make them easier for you with my detailed notes, detailed practical approach, daily assignments, and real-time projects, project FAQs. Your interviewer may ask you like what you did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, and when to use warehouse, when to use lake house, when to use stream house, when to go for PySpark, when to go for notebooks, when to go for data flow, when to go for data factory, etc. These kind of scenario based, involvement based questions are always in your learning basket. I am here to fulfill your requirements. I will be taking care of your project work and resume. I can help you for your job placements also. Let's get together into the course. Let's work together for your upskill of your resume. See you in my actual classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you there. Bye bye. Take care.